Here we have something vintage. You gonna come in this one?
Yeah.
It's over level a good bit. Wow, like you can hear the generators too.
Oh yeah.
All right, down to 3.
Yeah.
God, look at that thing level. That is so weird.
These are so messed up.
That is
and it's
wacky.
so over level.
It's still leveled wrong. Probably has a selector. Should we go 0 or P1?
P1 or 0.
But
It doesn't have a door sensor.
Oh my God.
Lovely.
you can see out through here. Kind of.
Hey, wait.
Wow. Alright, watch this. Oh, it levels a lot quicker on the way up. Whoa. This is vintage. It's probably 60s.
Probably when the building was open.
Ew. So we've stuck their chewing gum up there.
Ugh.
That is so weird.
Shall we take the other one?
Yeah, here. You know what? Let's send this up because here,
Yep.
send it up,
Yeah.
and then I want to get a video of it leveling from the outside because that is so weird.
There's a camera.
If it's even gonna remember calls,
I think it doesn't.
it might not. Do you want to ride it up and down,
Okay.
and I'll
Right to
record it?
P2.
All right, P2 and back. There he goes. Wow, look at this old thing. Button went out. Here he comes back down. Let's watch it. Oh my God. That looks so weird.
That is top.
That is wacky. You want to take a quick ride on this one?
Yeah.
Just check out what this one's like.
Okay.
This one still has the,
Both
doesn't
have
work
it.
though. Has the lens in there.
Oh.
Oh. See if it works.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my God. I was about to say, those doors are open a
Yeah.
lot.
Is this faster?
This one does feel a little faster.
Oh, they're better. Maybe it's 0 select. Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Doors are open.
Hopefully no one yells at us up here. Whoa, look at the indicator there.
Don't get out. Don't get out.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a picture. Full. Oh yeah, let's see if this one has the level in too.
The door's open.
This one level's better. Anyway.
The other one left.
Yeah,
Oh,
we'll
it's a
see it.
single coma. No, it doesn't have
Anyway.